This is a new run. We got two that we're using from last year, and then we putting a new one down on this here. But we got a template here for different size variations. You can see we're only hitting 4 holes, and then we move the template ahead. And this is the pattern that we will grow our tomatoes in, and peppers. This is how we're putting the holes in the plastic weave ground cover. So I made this handy little device with an old broken handle and a coffee can. We heat this up and then we can just punch down through the plastic. But this is how it works. We take the flame meter. There we go. The good thing about that, using the heat, it seals up the plastic so it doesn't ravel, and makes pretty good quick work out of putting holes in the plastic.